naman makikipagsabayan ng Malacanang sa umano'y maagang pangangampanya ng ilang partido. Nagsalita ang palasyo kaugnay sa umano'y paglalabasan na ng mga ilang advertisement ng mga politiko sa telebisyon. Ayon kay Lasheda, bagamat walang premature campaigning matapos ang resolusyon ng Korte Suprema sa Piñera case, naninindigan ang Malacanang na nakatuon ng Pangulo sa mga agenda kung paano mas pagagandahin pa ang buhay ng mga Pilipino. Nauna nang tiniyak ng palasyo na hindi maapektuhan ang pagganap sa tungkulin ng Pangulo 2013 midterm elections kahit kinumpirma pa nito na sasama sa kampanya.
Admittedly, it's the midterm elections. It does not take away the fact that the President is fully devoted to his job of governing the country. We have seen a tremendous increase in our performance in 2012, and we are not going to shortchange ourselves, and the President is not going to do that. The President is devoted to governing. At the same time, we also told the MPC during the dinner that he is also going to do some campaigning for the senatorial votes. That's part of his work as the LP chairman, and also as the President, as the chairman of the Liberal Party. But hindi po nawawala sa kanya hindi po focus pa rin po si Pangulo Aquino sa ating pag-govern sa ating bansa.